Hello students, this is Ashish and I am here to teach you maths. Hi, this is Ashish Yadav. I have completed my academics from University Model School Agra and I am pursuing Bachelor of Arts from Agra University. I have 2 years plus teaching experience as a home tutor and 8 to 9 month teaching experience as a school teacher. So let's start the chapter. So the chapter name is fraction. What is the definition of fraction? Fraction represents the parts of a whole or collection of objects. Fraction represents the parts of wholes, means there are some parts of the fraction. Let's start with an example. So the example is 2 upon 3. So the upper number is known as the numerator and the below number is known as the denominator. So the fraction always comes in the numerator and denominator form. If the fraction comes as 2, so this is not the fraction, this is the natural number, or we can say the counting number. But if the fraction comes in a upon form like this, like this, like this, so these are the fractions. If we talk about the fraction, there are some types of fraction. So let's start with the type of fraction. So the first fraction type is like fraction. So like fraction, what are like fraction? Fraction with same denominator. Fractions with same denominator are called as like fractions. 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5. These are the examples of like fraction. You see that the denominator in both of these are same. So we can say that this is the like fraction. Now the second fraction is unlike fraction. Fraction with different denominator. Those fractions which have the different denominators is known as the unlike fraction. 4 upon 7 and 7 upon 10. The denominator in the first one is the 7 and the denominator in the second one is the 10. The denominator in the both fractions are different. So we can say that these are the unlike fraction. The third fraction is the proper fraction. When the denominator means the lower part, this part, when the denominator is more than the numerator. Suppose example is 2 upon 3. The denominator is more than the numerator. So we can say that this is the proper fraction. That moving on with the next fraction, fourth fraction is the improper fraction. When the numerator is greater or equal to the denominator. When the numerator is greater means when the numerator is greater or equal to the. There are two cases formed. When the numerator is greater and equal to the denominator. In this fraction the numerator is greater and in this fraction the numerator is equal in both of these. This is also an improper fraction when the numerator is greater or equal to the denominator. The fifth one is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is the combination of integral and fractional part. Combination. The combination of integral and fractional part is known as the mixed fraction. So 1 upon 4 of 1 by 2. So if we broadly discuss this part is known as the fractional part. And this part which comes in the single form is known as the integral part. Understood, student? The next, moving on to the next is equivalent fraction. Two fractions are equal to another one. Two fractions are equals means when you cut the fraction, they all are coming in the same digits. If you cut 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This comes 1 by 2. If we cut this, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. This is also 1 by 2. If we cut this, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. This is also comes in 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. These three are equal, so these is known as the equivalent fraction. After learning the overview, we can moving on to the questions. The question says that color to show the fractions. There are the total parts you have given. The denominator always suggests you the total parts. The denominator means total parts of the fraction. And the numerators always reflects you the colored part. Whatever will giving you to be colored. They are the total parts. How many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many you have to color? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the second question is giving you like this. So you have to see that 5 are the total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 1 is the colored part. So you have to color the one part. This is not necessary you have to collect like this. You have to color this also, this also, this also, this also, but you have to color only one. This is your choice what block and what part you want to color, but colored is only the one. Okay students, and many types of questions are comes like this. Then what is the numerator and denominator? Numerator and the denominator. What is the numerator in this? I will tell you before that the upper part is known as the numerator and the lower part is known as the denominator. And some other questions like this, 1 by 4 of 20, A हो गया ये आपका, B 1 by 5 of 30. So how could you solve this? So by solving this, of means always the multiply. 1 by 4 into 20 is equals to, this is also in the upper part. Isn't it students? This is always in the upper part. 20 into 1 20 upon 4. 30 into 1 30 upon 5. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. Answer. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. Answer. So hope you like the video, whatever I explained you today. We will meet in the next class. Bye bye. Good luck.